This Keller Williams Realty Johnson County property video is presented by Rapp. This home has vaulted and high ceilings throughout home. Brand new laminate flooring installed. Split bedroom floor plan. Spacious master bathroom has a huge walk-in closet, 2 sinks with vanities, big tub, and a shower. Home is back to a quiet green belt. You could do your morning walk. Multiple offers received. Please submit offers by 3 p.m. Thursday, March 11, 2021. Please send to CAILYNE.REED@gmail.com. Thanks. For more information, review the details below or contact Rapp at 817-235-9534.